Lenovo Yoga 7 2-in-1. Processor AMD Ryzen AI 7 350 AI PC category Copilot plus PC. NPU integrated AMD Ryzen AI, up to 50 TOPS. Graphics integrated AMD Radeon 860M graphics. Storage 1TB SSD M.2 2242 PCIe 4.0x4 NVMe. Memory 32GB solid LPDDR5x. Display 14 WUXGA 1920x1200 OLED 600 nits, peak 400 nits, typical, glossy, anti-fingerprint. 100% DCI-LP3, 60 Hz, Dolby Vision, TV low blue light, display true black 500, glass, touch. Camera 5.0 MP plus IR with privacy shutter. Keyboard backlit, English. Standard ports. USB-A, USB 5 gigabits per second, a USB 3.2 Gen 1. 2 USB-C, USB 10 gigabits per second, a USB 3.2 Gen 2. HDMI 2.1, up to 4K per 60 Hz. Battery 70Wh. Power adapter 65W USB-C slim, 2-pin, wall mount. Lenovo Yoga Pen.